It matters massively that the Met and places like the Met offer these services for people in the community. Not only does it engage them in the arts, but it also gives them an opportunity in a safe space to be expressive, to get to learn new skills, and that might not necessarily be from drama, for example. It might be something that's then transferred into a job interview or going to the shops independently. It gets them engaged in things like theatre, live performance, and things that they may not necessarily experience on a day-to-day basis. Both Met Express and Aiming High, we've engaged in online workshops. With Aiming High, we did a series of workshops, then we did videos that they could access at home. With Met Express, it's more than just about the workshops. It's about their friendships that they've built, and they don't go out on a day-to-day basis. And obviously with the current situation of COVID, they don't go out at all, a lot of people. So we did a massive ring around with Met Express and spoke to them and got those who could access Zoom to access. And we do Zoom socials from Zoom workshops. It's a bad situation, and it's about staying positive. And rather than thinking about what will be, think about the moment. And that's what we encourage the group members to do, to engage. We're here now, that's what's most important.